In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix USB-C not working, charging, or recognized on your Windows. So let's get started. So first thing that we can do is to run the hardware troubleshooter. So how can we do that? Simply press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window, or you can directly make a right click at the start button, select run. Here simply type this command msdt.exe, okay, exe space hyphen id space device diagnostics. Okay, so it's msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostics. Hit in enter or click OK. So in my device, Windows online troubleshooting service is disabled, but in your case, you will find the hardware troubleshooter. So simply run this hardware troubleshooter. Okay. And then you just have to simply follow the on-screen instructions in order to fix the issue. So if you video is valuable for you, then just simply hit the like button and then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That will really help us to produce more videos for you. Okay. So second step is you need to check if there is an unknown device. So make a right click at the start button, select device manager. And then here, you need to locate for the universal serial bus controllers. Click on the arrow to expand. So here you need to look for the unknown device, which has the yellow triangle icon that indicates an error. So once you find the unknown device that indicates the yellow triangle icon that is indicating the error, make a right click and then select properties. And from here, for the device status, you will find the error code. So since I don't have that unknown device with that error, so that's why it states this device is working properly. But if you find the error code from here, you can use that error code to troubleshoot the issue, okay? Then the last thing that I can share to you to fix the issue is to check the charging status, okay? Check this charging status. So for that, you need to always use the charger and cable included with your PC, and make sure you're connecting your charger to the USB-C charging port on your PC. Okay, again, you have to check the charging status. So for that, you need to always use the charger and the cable included with your PC, and make sure you're connecting your charger to the USB-C charging port of your PC. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.